Do you struggle to associate terms with specific audio ranges? In this video, we will help define some terminology commonly used to describe how audio playback sounds to us so that we are all on the same page when talking to each other about the sound of audio mixes, equipment, or rooms. And we'll do this with an audio-video demonstration so that it really sinks in and is understood. This episode is brought to you by AV Room Service, specializing in acoustic design services and products to optimize the performance of your room and equipment experience. Visit us at avroomservice.com or book a call to speak with me to see how I can help you get the most out of your room and gear. AV Room Service, the science of perfected sound. In the audio world, we lack terms that describe perception with good definition and universal clarity. This is true both in the pro audio and the consumer industries. It can get even more convoluted when we include architects, acousticians, and other audio engineers into the conversation. Engineering terms are quantitative and intellectual, often using standard units of measurement. Such language is easily understood and difficult to misinterpret. Non-engineers use words that are more qualitative and emotional. Such language is subjective, difficult to understand, and easily misinterpreted. This is a problem because we can have different meanings for different individuals as they are vague rather than specific and well-defined. For example, if I say the mix sounds harsh, a recording engineer would know the frequencies and amplitudes associated with that description, but there's no hard standard saying that harsh means an octave bandwidth centered at 1.5K. A consumer, on the other hand, might be able to associate such terms as boomy, tinny, or dull as falling in the low, mid, and high frequencies respectively, but likely cannot be any more specific than that. In addition, there are many words that have similar meanings. For example, bright, edgy, or sharp could be used to mean harsh by different individuals. It is helpful to minimize this practice in order to simplify communication. These problems make communicating amongst ourselves very difficult and even frustrating. The following is my feeble attempt to help with the issue so that we can better communicate in associating frequency bands with simple terms. The following demonstration, which by the way I created over 11 years ago, can be a helpful learning tool to expand your communication skills to better understand or to be better understood by other musicians, engineers, and friends. Please play back the demo with equipment capable of full range sound. The audio begins unequalized, then moves up the bands first at minus 12 dB and then at plus 12 dB, and finally normal again. There is no point in equalizing the extreme bottom and top. No normalization was incorporated. Note the subjective perception with these extreme examples. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and if you would like to see more, click here or here. And don't forget to go to avroomservice.com to see how we can help you make the most of your listening experience.